All right, guys, I got had to get the cover off because I have to get a closer view and a picture. Okay, now this picture is for insurance company. I think this is gonna end up going insurance. Quite frankly, guys, it probably should. This is unexplainable. Like, well, I ain't sure it should go. Insurance is like when something in the road damage parts of your car. I have no idea. Can anybody, all you sharp guys out there, Jack's Journal, Mike Hernandez, where y'all at, man? What y'all think? I mean, look at this. Like, this is pieces. Look at that. Let me see what this is. Look at this. I need gloves on, guys. This is a chunk of aluminum. Now, granted, I couldn't see, like, this is on the bottom, right? So when I had the car up top and I was putting Freon in it, you can see a mist at the bottom. Psh! So quite frankly, it was coming out right here. You don't need no black light. See this stuff, this new 1234YA? Yes, guys, it has dye built into it. But look, this is a big chunk of the compressor right here. And you can see inside. Hello, hello, hello. I don't know what this is. But I wish I can. Let me see something. I mean, I can't do no more damage that's already done. So, that big chunk right there. It's like the compressor. How does this happen? That is a big chunk. Wow. Look at that. Well, I guess I have to move the compressor to get that all the way out. But yeah, it's open up the housing. So guys, I have to stop right there. I just wanted, they needed a picture of the damage to the compressor. Got a compressor on the way. It's approved, but now the customer paying cash for everything until he can get it insurance, get reimbursed by the insurance. Really have no choice, guys. Hey, it is hot. Let me tell y'all this. Right now, it is screeching hot. Okay, it is burning hot. So if he want cold AC, he'll duke it out with his insurance company later. But for now, and guys, I told y'all on that video, I had no choice. I had to get a condenser because the dryer is built on the condenser. And I don't know how many of you guys ever had one of these apart. I don't know. I won't know until I start tearing it apart. The bumper, the whole front grill had to come off to gain access to the condenser / radiator. That's the radiator right there. I am chasing the radiator. I am, however, chasing the condenser. So this is gonna be a little fun, guys. I had to do one of these not too long ago. 9-speed, guys. ZF. Let me touch on this right quick. All right. I'm a big fan of transmission service, right? Everybody know that. I'm no flush guy. I'm no drain and refill guy. To a point. Okay. Drain and refill, right? Fairly easy. You open right here to drain out, and it's a drain plug up there. Let me show you. I got a transmission right here, 9-speed. The drain plug right here. All right. In fact, I can show you on the car. I did a service, drain refill on a Cherokee. Watch this video right here, and I'm gonna make sure I card that PT lover. He always give me trouble when I forget to put the link up to card it. But this transmission, I don't know how we go from AC to transmission, guys. That's why I stress learn the whole car, bumper to bumper. Be a transmission guru, be a engine, be a AC. Learn the whole freaking car. Don't leave out nothing. All right, I made that mistake early in my career, and I rectified that very soon after. I started showing an interest in the whole. I learned how transmission work and how they operate, and how I can benefit from knowing how to repair them. Granted, those days are over. We don't do much repair to transmission anymore. That's not even an overhaul kit for this thing, I don't think. But what I was saying, as far as service, I'm a big fan of service. As far as servicing this transmission, service, let's define service. Service is when you gain access to the trans filter. Just about all transmission, automatic transmission, will have some form of a filter. You know what a filter do is exactly what its name implies. it filters out the transmission. Any trash in it should be captured by that filter to prevent that said trash from recirculating back through the transmission. So that's what a filter's job to do. In order to replace a filter on such a beast, this 9-speed, the transmission have to come out. Yes, guys, I know some of y'all going, what? Yes. In order to gain access to the filter and change it, the unit has to come out. That is simply because they had nowhere to hide or store the filter has to be in close vicinity of the pump. In fact, it has to be right before the pump, because you want to filter out the fluid going directly to the pump. Right before it get the pump, you want a filtration going on. So knowing that, they had no choice but to house the filter above, right in the area of the pump. Okay, now I went through this procedure. In fact, I removed a transmission to replace, and I figured I'd show my subscriber the procedure to replace the filter. So what I want you guys to do, that's right, you guessed it, I'm gonna card another video right here. I want y'all to watch this video right here. That's how you replace a transmission filter on a 9-speed ZF, in this case 948TE. Okay, the first digit 9 is simple. It's a 9-speed transmission. All right, but yeah, that's no fun. I don't think too many people want to pay 8 hours labor to do a transmission service. You know what's crazy? There's no per se overhaul kit available, so it ain't like while you got the transmission out, go ahead and overhaul it. What are you gonna overhaul it with? You can go in with a new torque converter, however, but yeah, it's pretty limited on the repairs you can do. And this starter is no joke if you're ever doing one, simply because it's hard. It's all I do is to get the upper starter bolt. I done just about everything known to man to these vehicles, so I know them. That's why when you ask me a question about it, I highly suggest you subscribe to the channel, because there's a chance I might upload some footage pertaining to this car that may hit home with you, and you will see it in your feed. So yeah, man, but let me back to the matter at hand, guys. I got a compressor coming. How difficult is it to do? Looks fairly easy, right? Yeah, no big deal. Compressor. I do not have to drain the Freon, that's for sure, because you know what? It's already out. There's no Freon in it. All right, guys, I am clowning around. I hate when these videos turn into clown mode. I say my clown act for the live stream sometime on Thursday, probably. All right, Sunday I'll be serious on the live stream. No, vice versa, the other way, Sunday. All right, guys, I gotta go. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.